In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a task in Asana. We'll start right from sign in and end with a smooth drag and drop on your project board so you can keep work flowing with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the Asana login page. On the sign in screen, choose Continue with Google. This option securely connects your existing Google credentials to Asana, saving you from juggling another password. After clicking it, select the Google account you use for work. In a moment, you'll be redirected back into Asana. Once you're in, you'll land on your home area where your recent work and projects are listed. Click into the project where the task currently lives. If you're part of several teams or workspaces, make sure you're in the correct project so the move updates the right task for your collaborators. Inside the project, switch the view to board. The board view organizes your work into columns, often called buckets or sections, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. This layout is perfect for visually tracking progress and, most importantly for today, moving tasks between stages. If you don't see Board at the top, look along the view switcher near List, Timeline, or Calendar, then choose Board. This only changes how you view the same tasks. Nothing is deleted or duplicated. To move a task, locate its card on the board, then click and hold to pick it up. While holding, drag the card to the destination column that represents its new stage, and release to drop it there. You'll notice a subtle highlight showing exactly where the task will land. This simple action updates the task's status in the project while keeping details like the assignee, due date, and attached files intact. If your project uses rules or automations, moving the task may also trigger those automatically, things like notifying a teammate or updating a field. You can also reorder tasks within the same column. Drop a card above or below others to set its priority in that stage, raising visibility for what needs attention first. A couple of quick tips as you drag and drop. Aim for a clear gap within the column to place the card precisely in the order you want. If you drop it in the wrong spot, don't worry, you can easily move it again. And if you change your mind immediately, use your undo option to revert the move. That's it. By signing in with Google, opening the right project, switching to board view, and dragging a task from one bucket to another, you can reflect progress in seconds and keep your team aligned. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Asana.